Hello, Leo. I sent you the request to join room 3. Did you get that? Leo?
Yeah, I got it, but then I couldn't enter, and now I'm. Hello.
Okay, okay.
Oh.
Let me. Okay, let me do it one more time. Landry, I sent you. Okay, he joined. Leo, you are still in. Okay, I'm moving you to the breakout room 1, and then I will move you to the breakout room 3. Okay, Leo?
All right. Yes.
Did you get that notification?
No, I didn't get anything.
That's strange.
Hmm.
Okay, then rejoin our discussion here. Okay, then I will give you over there.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, Alina, Landry.
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you solving the question?
Yes.
Okay. So your group partner Leo will join you shortly. Okay. Yes, Leo.
Yes.
Did you re-sign in?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, I give you your.
Now I see.
Okay. Good. Okay, group 1.
Punjab 419. 1000. Yeah.
Everything is going smooth?
Yeah, we already sent to the group chat.
Okay, good. Guys, let's wait because others are still doing. And I would be closing our breakout room after 10 minutes because the others are really behind. Okay, Leo, you completed the activity?
Yes, we just finished.
Okay, please send it to the group.
Okay.
Let's see your answers. Sorry. So here we go. Let me read the question and let's talk about its solution. So company's data is given. So all the data are based on estimated cost and operating data here. We have three companies, X, Y, and Z. So we are given their data and manufacturing overhead. So also they have given the allocation base. It means while computing the predetermined overhead rate, what should be the denominator? They have given you the option here. So company X used direct labor hours, which is 80,000. For company Y, so let me give you the answer here. So predetermining overhead rate for company X would be the 536,000 divided by 80,000, 6.7. For Y, even 5,000 divided by 45,000. For Z, it would be 480,000 divided by 6, not, sorry, machine labor hours, it's 70,000. Sorry, my bad. For company B, it's machine hours. Machine hours for company Y is 70,000. And for company Z, it is material cost. So direct material cost is 30,000 here. So here we go for, it is 30,000, 300,000 cost. Right? So I don't know the answer here. You can use the calculator to find out. Now, for company X, so company X did three jobs, job 418, 419, and 420. And they have incurred direct labor hours 12,000, 36,000, 30,000. So 12,000 plus 36,000 plus 30,000. This is 78,000. Right? So that is the actual direct labor hours. Right? So this is the estimated direct labor hours was 80,000 and they consume 78,000. So this cost we cannot compare unless we make this cost based on 78,000. So we multiply this with 6.7 and here we go, the answer I have put here. So the answer would be 522,600. So the actual cost was 530,000 based on 78,000 cost, and the estimated was 522,600. So we have 7,400 under applied. Right? Sorry about here, the figures are missing here. So please fill it out. Okay, so that's all for this chapter. I have a video, it's a 10 minutes video which summarizes all of our job order costing, and it is a practical approach of job order costing in real life. So please pay attention to the video here. I know it has a weak pixel, but we don't have any other option here. I tried to find the HD material here, but I couldn't find. Here we go.
Most of the costs are built